Okay, hello. Back again. I'm going to show you what we did with that tile we was working on in Gmax, which let me go ahead and I'll go ahead and bring up Gmax here real quick. Import it back in. Model, browse. It was TIC. Standard castle interior. Done models. I think it's TIC. Okay. The one we was working on, I ended up naming it something else. I went back into the game, or I went back into Gmax and renamed it to because I wanted to show you guys something. So, matter of fact, right here under the modify tab, there I renamed it. What I did is I came back in here and I'll just type this in to a new name right there, and I went back to TIC, which is what it originally was. While clicking on the Aurora base, have that little square as the Aurora base selected, and then I exported it. I also had went in here and changed the textures. I'll show you that real quick. Click here, not the walk mesh, the floor texture, and you go to properties. It'll tell you I used wood 05, and then on the walls, not the walk mesh but the actual walls, I used properties, I used 03, wood 03. So I'll need those textures for what we're going to do, but I'm going to go ahead and bring up NW Hack. I just got a shortcut on my desktop. I recommend you do the same. It's just adds, makes things quicker. I'm going to make a hack now, so I'm going to add, go to this one here, I'm going to go to done models. I want the TIC right here, H0101. I want the WOK and the MDL file, both of them. So I'll add those, and I'll need those textures. So drop back out here, go to textures, and I said I used 3, and I used 5. So one for the floor, one for the walls. So those are done. Now I'll save as, and we'll just name it new or new castle interior add-on, something like that. Whatever you like to do. Okay, so we'll have to make sure I go to the right folder. E-Games. I got multiple copies of Neverwinter Nights. Alright, so I'm just add that into my hack folder, save it there. Yep, just double checking. Yep, alright. I like to double check things a lot of times. Anyhow, so hack, I can close that out now. I'll bring this open. I've already got a module that I'm using for like standard tile set add-ons, whatnot. We'll go ahead and go to castle interior. We need to add that hack to the module. Okay, so let's add, I named it new CI add-on right here. Okay, add, I'll just put that at the top for now. It's just going to override those tiles. Okay, and now it was the jail. That's what we was making the change in. and you kind of seen it there for a minute, or at least I did. Popped up that the tile was there. It was one of these corner tiles, is what it was. Right there it is. There's our corner tile that we worked on. Now you can see through the area right here, right in this area. You can see that because this originally came over and tied in the way they did it, and I brought it over and blocked it off because I'm going to adjust this tile now the same right here with this line. I'll bring it over and connect these two, and I'm going to continue to redo these tile to get the look I want. So anyhow, that's the first of mini tile, but I just wanted to show you that what we did, how you can easily implement it in the game, and you're not messing with the .set file, and you're not messing with the ITP file, because all you're doing is overriding an existing tile. That being said, I did mess with the walk mesh. You would not want to use this for a mod that's already been made, because someone could have put a bag or barrel over in this area, and now that I redid it, you wouldn't be able to get to it or see it. This is, when I'm done, I'll make a separate tile set, but it's for caravan interior that I'm going to be making. I just want to show you how easy it was to implement a tile in and override an existing one without having to change all the other stuff. But I'll continue on to make some more. But that's pretty much how easy it is. It's implemented. So that's basically how you make an override hack and implement it and your tile into the game. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, thanks.